Bring this camera back. We're at 200 feet from B32, 33 floor clean out. And just for curiosity, you want to see the difference before they've had people come in. That's basically the clean out for the registers at register 12, floor clean out. That turn you see there. So we jetted this out and back twice. You can still see the pipe is very rough. Yeah, it goes up and down, in and out of the water. But basically, Nick, I just want to, for my sake, I want to have a recording, the most recent recording. We think too much alike. It is amazing to me, though, the water that's been through this pipe. We've gone through the best part of 800 or 600 gallons of water tonight. It's amazing the stuff that stays behind. You see how rough that is, though? So, yeah, it is. Between the bellies, the length, and the roughness, it's no wonder that it clogs so much. And I think they've had this on their minds to do for quite some time. I don't know. I don't know if it'll work. Can't hurt unless the scouring of the pipe.
Seems more like a Band-Aid than a fix.
Well, yeah. The scouring of the pipe is getting rid of some of the pipe thickness.
Right.
So if there's a problem, but this portion of the pipe from here to the register 12 is the most problematic part. But tonight it repeated what I had back in December. It was clogged from register 12 beyond. It wasn't when we started, but whatever was in there for the clog, we moved it. Oh.
I cannot tolerate that smell. I'm going to give you some space.
You just need to get closer to me so I can smell your cologne, and I forget about the smell.
I'll let you entertain your way.
Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Nick.
There you
Just hang on to that, Ben.
go. You guys are going to need me in a bit, especially with the report, so you can just call me.
Yeah, it'd probably be half hour or better. In this area, we've had a known belly from about 50 to 100 feet. Some weeks it's better than others. If anything, this pipe has been consistent in its inconsistencies. There was one night we were doing this. Devin was bringing the jetter back. He said he could hear it the whole way, 200 feet all the way back. And I don't understand that. How can it change? You know? My big wonderment is what are they doing with all the scale and stuff that they're bringing out? 3 days worth of stuff. Is it on a vacuum or what are they doing with all the stuff they grind out of that? You know? Half curious to come in one night next week and see what they're doing. Just for the curiosity. probably won't, but so it cost us a little bit of time tonight because we couldn't do our camera work. Normally we could have one person jetting, or I'm sorry, moving the jet, and the other guy was doing camera work. But tonight we didn't do that because we were trying to get it open.
Yeah.
Kind of hard to camera when the pipe is clogged. Well, we shall see.